Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with another video. Today it is an unboxing video. As you saw, I purchased something from one of my favorite stores. This is the damage from August that I told you about that caused me to derail and totally abandon my budget for the month of August. I made some purchases in the month of August that I wasn't supposed to make, that I didn't budget for. You know, I said, the heck with it. I'm going to buy it because it's something I've wanted. And so we are going to unbox today the shoes that I bought. Now, it's a backstory about these shoes. But anyway, so let's go ahead and unbox these shoes. Now, I did look at them before and I wrapped them back up for the video. I did not tie the bow as perfectly, but what the heck? I watched them tie the bow a million times. So it's like, I feel like I could do it. So nonetheless, the story behind these shoes, what are they called, first of all? Because the Shake Flat Ballerina. Now, these shoes released on June the 1st. Now, I have a YouTube video, and I'm going to put the clip here where I was in the store on June the 1st. I was in the store on June the 1st trying these shoes on. Now, it was the only pair was the display. They had released that day. So my client advisor at the time was like, give it 3 days and they'll appear online. So, and then we can either order them or, you know, you can purchase them online, however, you know, you want to do it. So I was like, okay. I waited. I didn't see them online. I was like, oh, I really want them, but they didn't appear online. So I was like, okay, fine. I kept watching. And I'm like, where are these shoes? They tried to order them from another store. And I'm like, why are they not appearing online? Now they're going out the store. They're gone, completely gone. And they're not like, oh my God, the shoes are so amazing. No, it's a ballerina flat. And I happen to like it. So they disappeared. So I was in the store at the end of August and I was talking to my client advisor and I'm like, they're like, I know, we can't find them. So they found the display in the back and they're like, I don't know why they're not online. We can't find them in the system. Like, what is going on with these shoes? They like released on June 1st and that was it. No other store had them. Nobody's seen them. It's like the whole shoe disappeared. Finally, the manager was able to say, hey, we found the shoe. Let's order them for you. So let's look at the ballerina flat. Here we go. Isn't she cute? The ballerina flat. And it's just a plain shoe, but I love it. And it goes with what I wear and how I dress. So I wear Islamic attire. I'm always in overgarments, long dresses, maxi dresses to the floor, very flowy. And so a ballerina flat looks good. And I feel like I can dress it up or dress it down. It's totally my vibe, right? It's my thing. It's you know, how I dress. If I had to go into the office, I could wear these into the office. Okay, so these are the Shake Flat Ballerinas. So yeah, there you have it. And I love the gold buckle. I think what I liked the most was the LV and gold on them. I thought that was like perfect. Okay, so let's see. And then it just has the Louis Vuitton in Paris in there. And so, and I really wanted them because they go with a lot of things. My handbags, dress them up, dress them down. So yeah, that is what I'm unboxing. Now let's get into the price because I know you guys are like, what the? So no, in my other video, I explained how this could be a business, how my last purchase of the handbags, my handbags are always majority business expenses. I carry around a laptop, I carry around an iPad, I carry around a lot of things, right? And so it's a tote. They're work bags and nobody can tell me how much I can spend on a work bag, on a bag to carry my items for work. I can't carry everything in my hands. So these are not a business write-off, business purchase. These are not a tax write-off, but let's live a little. So these shoes were the Shake Flat Ballerina, $1,110. There is no tax on shoes. So yeah, and that is how much I paid for them. So am I happy with my purchase? Yes, I am. I really wanted these. I can wear these with thick socks, no socks, any kind of socks. And yes, I would wear them with thick socks. I feel like they would look cute with some really nice wide leg flare jeans with some thick like wool socks. Who cares, right? I think it'll look cute, and yes, I will rock it that way. So, but yeah, I couldn't wait to get these shoes. I'm so happy I purchased them, and this is part of what derailed my August budget, you guys. But I wanted to share that with you. The video was really quick. I have a lot of Louis Vuitton shoes. I have a lot boots, and a lot of them are monogram. I have some heels, some flats, some loafers, some drivers. So I have a huge variety of shoes. They don't all have to be designer, but I was just specifically talking about Louis Vuitton. I love shoes. I love shoes and handbags and makeup and clothes and jewelry. And yeah, I love a lot of things. I love a lot of things. Okay, you guys, thank you so much. You know what I noticed? This isn't the typical shoe box. I feel like this is a handbag box. Are they changing up the shoe boxes? They gave me like a handbag box. I noticed that when I first got it home. I said, this looks like a handbag box, but maybe they didn't have a shoe box for me. I'll take it. Doesn't matter. As long as I have some place to store them. So, you guys, and then I got some free perfume samples. But that is it for this video. Please let me know if there's something else you would like to see. But if you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps my videos get out in front of everybody. If you are not subscribed to my channel and you like my videos and you happen to like me, then go ahead, subscribe, But I'll see you guys in the comments, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. Blooper.